Hi guys, my name is Oluwaseun Precious Omogoriola. You can call me Coach Precious. As we all know, we should have done this in our live session class, but because as a result of the network fluctuation, I just have to do this video tutorial so that I can carry you guys along. And when I asked you guys yesterday, I discovered majority of you guys are new build designer, so I'm going to be doing this simple birthday flyer. Everything you need to know about graphic design, color, hierarchy, I will be doing that in our class, but this tutorial is just for how to create simple birthday flyer as a beginner. How to do simple birthday flyer as a beginner. And it is possible you are hearing some noises in the background. It's as a result of my environment. It's possible I'll be able to edit it out, or it can still be there, so bear that in mind. Now let's go straight to the point. So we now have our design resources, what you are going to be doing. So we are creating birthday flyer for this woman. She's an actress. So we are creating this simple birthday flyer for her. Now let me go to, I want to download font that I will be using. Just come here, type down font .com. To those of you who don't know how to generate fonts, and that is the reason I told you guys to download Archiver. That one is to use to decompress font. I'm still going to show you that. So that font, just come here, you'll see something like this. That font, full pack font for 2025 rather. Okay, click on it. I don't like this font. No, let me come here, that font. So here you are going to see different fonts. You are going to see different fonts. You see here, I see black grids. Let me download this. Download. You click on download. Okay, let me just check some fonts here. Beyond fonts. Okay. Font. I'm looking for stylish fonts. Let me just look for stylish. I think I love this. Let me come in. Can you see? You can download fonts in every channel, like free fonts. You can use that font. You can see that font. You can see B font space. You can see a lot. Yeah. This one. It's another channel too. It's not coming. This is not loading. Okay. Let me download this. Let me download this too. I think I love this. Okay. Click on 5. So I think I love this too. Wow, I think I love this. So that is that. Now what we need to do, we need to go to our archiver here. So we want to decompress those fonts. Let me come to download. So let me click on those fonts. Add. I should select further. Okay. Alright. Just follow me closely as you are watching this video. Follow me closely. No. Okay, yeah, I think I got this. Extracts, internal storage, download, extract here. I've seen black crate there. Gateway, extract. Some of you just have to go to your archiver and you extract it there, but it's because of the phone I'm using, so it's possible to use different method, or probably you can go on YouTube and watch how to download fonts. How to download fonts on Pixellab. Are you getting me now? Yeah, to save time. Or we do that in our class. So extract here. So download. Extract. So I can come here. So let me come here. Maybe it's possible. Great, black great. Yeah. Can you see? Archive successfully decompressed. Yes, I just come here to decompress the font. Yeah. So I have the compressed one. Other fonts. Let me check. I want to, okay, details. Okay, I want to check those fonts that I download. Okay, gateway. Yeah, decompressed. Extracted, decompressed. So let me check another one again. Retroflora. Let me search for it. So just click on the extract. Can you see the compressed? Another one again. Mustafa. Let me come here. Mustafa. I'm under my Mustafa. Archival. Like I told you, is used to decompress fonts. Yes, to decompress fonts. Mustafa. Zip. Extract. Is the zip you will click on. Then the last one. Blast Liga. I think it's Bast Liga. What's Liga? Okay, this one. I will click on my extract. Decompress. Now we have our font. So now let me check, maybe this is recording. Okay. Now let me go to my Pixellab. I will start designing now. Okay. Yeah. What is next is, let's remove our background. Yes, those pictures. Remove the background. This is where the photo room comes in. Photo room is used to remove background, or you can use it to blur an image. I will still be doing that. So background. Click on transparent, then export. Let's wait. Then you will click on done. Click on leave without saving. It has already saved. Let me extract one again. I'll be using this. Transparent, export, click on done, leave. Which one can I use again? Let me use this. The picture is okay. Remove the background. Click on transparent, export, then click on done, then leave without saving. Let me remove one again. One. Which one? Let me check this. Maybe it is possible. So, like I said, I'll be teaching you how to create simple. So let's come to our Pixellab. This is our Pixellab. Cancel. Let me just come here again. Let me come on Pixellab. So yeah, when you come to your Pixellab, you see a lot of things there. Like I said, you see sticker, import, draw, shape, bezier, arrow. When you click on this, you will see a lot of background. When you click on the A at the down part, you will see text. Under the text, you see delete, copy to front, to back, position. When you come here, the middle one, you know we have 6 icons at the down part. When you come to that middle one, the third one, beside A, letter A, you will see sticker, you will see import, draw. When you come to the next one, which is the fourth one, you will see color, transparent, image size, and the last one, you will see rotate and everything. So all these are features of what Pixellab will use it to design. So little by little, you begin to know the functions of all these tools. Now, the first thing I will do here, I will come to this. Anywhere you see that color blue, that is the icon I just pressed. I will come again. Anywhere you see icon blue, I just click on that icon. So you click on it. Then after that, you come to your color. This is your color. Like I said yesterday, we have color, we have gradient. Color means just one color, a single color. And what I'm moving, this is what we mean by color wheel. When you come to the up here, you will see 2 icons. You will see 2 icons there. Like one look like pencil and one look like a needle. The needle we call it color picker. Let's say I want to pick color picker. And this one we call it color code. If I want to change the color of this background, the color code for white color is FFF. I will just come here. I will type FFF. It says F. Then I will click OK. Can you see? No, I'm coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on this. Can you see that I've changed to white? I've changed my background to white. You see, that is what color code. Sometimes when you know the color, the code of any color, all you have to do is to just come to this side and guess what? Write down the color, like input the color, and you will get it. That is it. So we're still going to be using color picker. Let me come to my image size. This is the normal rectangle size. I can decide to change it to 3 or 4. So the width we are using is 1280 and the height is 1480. 3. I think I love this 4. So this is what we are using. So now I can decide to come here, like come to my Pinterest and be like white background. I just want something simple. Something so simple. Let me download this. This is okay for me. I think I love this too. So let me just come here. Where's my Pixellab? Let me just come here. I will click on import. Anytime you want to bring something outside inside your design, you click on import. Let me click on this. I think I love this. I think I love this. Yeah. Then this relative position is used for what? To balance everything. Can you see? To balance everything. Then when you come here, you click on this. You lock it. Let's say I open it like this. Can you see? It will still be moving and it can be distracting your design. Like everything will just be scattering. So let me come back to my relative position. Position it. Then I will come here. I will lock it. That is that. I told you that anytime you are doing design and you are bringing in something, you click on what? You click on import. So let me come here. So note this. Anytime you are bringing image that is not part of your design, I will say it again. Anytime you bring in image, the first thing you need to do is what? Click on the image, press copy, then come here, delete the first one. That is it. Do you know the reason why I'm doing this? Again, press copy, delete it. Let me come again. Come to import, click on your image, done. Then after that, press copy, delete the previous one. That's all. When you want to increase your image, come to relative size again. When you want to increase your image, come to relative size. Can you see? You can increase it here. You can decide to increase it here. Or, you see this out that I'm dragging that has this blue icon here, you see? So don't do your design like this, you deform the image. Don't do it like this, you will deform the image. Don't do it like this. So let me delete the image. Let me come here again. Click on it. So after that, what I'm going to do now is come to my relative size, you see. Come to my 100. It's because of you guys. I will come to my relative position, position everything. Position everything. Click on your relative position. Now, when you come to relative position, you will see a lot of keys there, like 6 keys, like 3 at the up and 3 at the down. There is 1, 2 middle that have two arrows there. You know the remaining 4, they have 1 arrow, 1 arrow, 1 arrow. There is 2 at the center, so you click on the first one, then you click on the second one. Then you come to the top here, you lock it again. Lock it. It will not move. It won't. So now we want to blend our image here. We want to blend it. I can use different formats. I can select to click on my image here. And I will come to eraser. You see this? When you come to eraser, you see a lot of things there. I'm not using this. You see a lot of icons there. But we're not doing that. We're not doing that. I've already pressed something here. So let me redo everything. Let me redo it. So let me just come to my eraser. You will see 2 icons there. Can you see? I'm dragging one now. One is here. This is the second one I'm dragging. So let me drag this one here. Can you see? When I begin to drag this is for blurring effect. Blur. You blur the effect. Let me increase it. The down part here is to... Okay, can you see? It's the handle. The down part is for the handle. So I will just come here. They look at me. So I'm cleaning it. I've already... You see how I drag this out? This to the end. Like to make it blur. To blur it. So I want to blur this. I believe you are following me. Just watch what I'm doing. Check here. Can you see? I'm blowing my infant already. I'm blowing it. Okay. You guys are going to replicate this. Oh, you will watch the tutorial. This is the assignment for today. You will watch the tutorial and submit the same way I did it. No mistake, no error. You see? But I don't actually like the effect this thing is giving me. And I think my background is kind of transparent. I can decide to change the background. I can do color picker, like pick this color here. Cancel. I want to do something. Maybe I can pick this color. Yeah. So let me reduce the opacity of the background here. So I think I don't like this. I can come to my eraser here. Like, I don't like this effect. I don't like it. This is the old version. Let me click on my image here. Come to my eraser. Let me go. Where's my eraser? So let me press undo to undo it. Still the same thing. So let me just come here. Come to your shape. Come to shape. You will see shape. Let me click. When you click on this middle one that is showing this blue icon at the down, come to shape. When you come to shape, scroll down. When you come to shape, you will see even stroke, but we're not using that today. So when you come to shape, you will see radius, you will see opacity. Opacity is to reduce it. Can you see? To reduce the view length. To reduce it. So, but we are not reducing the opacity. You come to gradient. So when you leave that opacity, you see color and see gradient. Click on gradient. I said color means you are picking just one color. Gradient is addition of 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you see what I'm moving here. Anywhere you see icon like, how would I put it, like this square, like something like oil. Okay, let me come back here. I want to show you one icon. It means color. We are not doing anything. Let me click on here. When you see something, can you see this color, that the right color under it? So anywhere you see something like this, this is what I mean. This one, yeah, it means color anywhere you see it. So let me come back to my shape. After that, come to your gradient, click on the plus sign. You see the icon here. So you see what I'm moving here. After you touch this that I'm moving, you click on color. This is what I mean by color wheel. So we want to pick transparency. You see this that I'm moving here, you move it to the down part. You move it to the down part. Transparency. Can you see it has become transparent? And you see this one here. You click on color again. You come to your color picker. We want to pick from the color of the background, so that we are blending the image with the background. You can't just use any color. You pick the image of that background, then click on it. You see, press your OK. We've get this already. If you don't get it again, go back and wash it. You see here, we are blending the image already. Click on it again till you are satisfied with it. Till we no longer see it again. Can you see? That is that. I can decide to merge everything together. It's too much here. So I can click on everything. When you click on this thing here, okay, you will see 4 icons there. You see delete, you will see this, you will see the third one. Click on this third one. It will be like, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Press OK. Can you see? Everything will become one. Just wait and see. Can you see? Everything has become one. So it's now one. Yeah. Let me do it. Yeah. So come to your relative position. Position it very well. Yeah, we've blend it together. Now let me bring another image again. I'm trying to do some things. So click on this. What did I say the first time? I said anytime you are bringing in image, the first thing you need to do is to what? Copy it. So I will delete this one. We are using this. You see? Let me take this to the back. I want to try something. Wow, I think I love this. Let me bring it to front. In case you don't understand what I'm saying, just come and click to front or go to back. Or you will come here, press it down, then move. Again, press it down, move to the up, press it down, move it to the back of this thing. So this is what I mean. You see here now, I've been blending this together. Let me copy this again. I want to use the same thing here. I think it's not needed. Let me remove that back one. Doesn't mean anything. Okay. Come to your relative size. Let me increase it. Or let me reduce it. Anyhow, I won't do it. So, let me lock it here. I'll still come back again. I can still blend it. I can copy this. I can try to copy it and blend this one too. But I will reduce it a little bit. So we're already designing our flyer. I just want to do something simple for you guys. Then let me come here again. You see? Copy it again. That's what I told you. Anytime you bring in an image, let me crop this. You see? I think I love this. It's looking so real. Yeah. We are doing better. I'm done with the image. So I want to bring flower just to make it beautiful. I want to bring in flower just to make it beautiful. I will come to my photo room. Photo room. So let me remove the background. I want to do something. Maybe I can remove this. I don't think I'll be using this though. Or let me blur this. Let me blur it. Maybe I can still use it. Click on, when you want to blur an image, click on transparency. When you click on transparency, you will see layers, you will see background, you will see shadow, insert. Click on the layers. So when you click on these layers, you will see graphics background. Click on graphics. So you scroll down, you will see blur here, you see. So when you click on, let me remove it, click on blur. So you can see this. So click on moisture. I can decide to do it like this, increase it, press done, then you export. That's how to blur any image. Instead of browsing and blurring balloon, you can decide to browse it yourself and you blur it yourself. Okay, let me do this again. I can decide to blur this. But I think I'm not blurring this though. I think I'm not blurring this. So let's just begin to remove the background of all this, okay? Let me remove this background. Let me remove this flying clothes too. I think I will blur this. Layers. It can bring objects too. It can bring objects. So moisture. You can use any one. You can click on any. But I love using that motion. Remove. Okay, done. Leave. Let me go for one more. I think I love this. This one, I'm not blowing the background. I love this. Transparency. Okay, let me come to the last one. Let me remove this background. Let me remove this. Okay. Remove. Done. So we are designing simple flyer. Don't expect something too much now. So after that, let me come to this. Done. Let me decide to, I can decide to change the filter. So I can come to my color filter. You can change any color of anything. Can you see? You can change. Sometimes I will bring in icons, and what I'm using them is like the color that I wanted to use is quite different. So what will I do? I will just come to my color filter. So here now our hue HUE is 5 and our saturation is -13. Use the same thing for me when you are replicating. So I will come here, I will click on it. Let me move it down. I want to move it to the back of the design. Why is it not beautiful? Let me move it to the front. Okay, let me move this one to the front. I think I like this. Let me move it to the back. Can you see I've moved it to the back? I think I like it at the back now. Let me copy it again. Bring it here. Let me move this one to the back too. I think I like it here. Okay, that is beautiful. I moved the flower to the back. So I think that is beautiful here. Wow, everything is becoming perfect. So then after that, what is the next thing? If you see now, if you check, let me come here. It will be as if this thing is not standing on anything. So we need shadow to make it realistic, to make it more realistic. So what else again? What else can I bring in? I'm coming. Let me check this. Wow. Can you see this? This is beautiful. The hue is 3. The saturation is 8. -8. I can try to remove the background. It's 100. Can you see? Wow. This is beautiful. So, wow. This design is making sense. Now, let me just do. So, if you want to do your shadow, this is what you do. Sometimes you can try to come to shape. Click on this cycle. When you click on cycle, come to opacity, reduce it to 0. Reduce the opacity to 0. Come to your stroke, increase it to 100, you see. Then come to your blur radius, blur it to 100. Then click like this. Can you see this shadow now? After we have done something like this, you just come to your 3D rotate here. Can you see? Y-axis. Move it to 79. So this is what will make it look as if it's standing on something. But I don't like this though. Yes, you can use this format or click on sticker. When you click on sticker, you see something like this. Click on, come to color. We will change the color to black. Then after that, I will come to my 3D rotate. Can you see? It will be as if it is standing on something. So I will move it here. You see? I'm coming. So let me continue again. Copy it. My 3D rotate. So can you see it's as if it's standing on something? Can you see it's as if it's standing on something? So I think I'm going to do something. So I want to use flour to do something here. Okay. I like to put flour here. It's not blocking it. Uh-huh. Okay, this one is showing that it's standing on the ground. So that is that. Now, her name is Bisola. Bisola. Let me delete this. So I can come here and reduce the opacity a little. So maybe 60. Can you see it's as if when you check this now, it's as if it's standing on something. So imagine there's not something here. The leg will not be as if it's standing on surface. Can you see now? It's as if it's standing on ground. So let me reduce it back. So now we are designing our flower. Then after that, let me type Bisola. Bisola. We're about to be done now. Bisola. 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 So let's come to fonts. So when you want to add fonts, like you just download new fonts and you want to add fonts, come to your my font here. Click on this. So it will bring download. Can you see black grid? Let me check. Maybe the black grid is not here. Can you see? Maybe we are using this as Bisola. So I think we are going to be using this black grid. So let's use one color like that. I will go and pick the earring color. Yes, that green. I think this one go pick on. Yes. Can you see? Yeah. Can you see? I've picked the color. Bisola. Or let's try other one. Let's try other font. Learn to try fonts. So download. We download some fonts today. Yeah. Let me check them. So I download some fonts. Let me come to mine. Yeah, I download some fonts today. Those fonts we download earlier. So let me check. Black Grace. Vitro Floral. Let me go back to my Pixellab. Vitro. That's okay. This is the Vitro. I don't like this. So let me type it somewhere. We have Vitro. We have Gateway. Let me try that Gateway. We have Gateway. Let me come to fonts. Come to my font, click on the plus sign. Let me search it. Gateway signature. Okay. Let me press gateway. Why is it not adding up? Okay, let me try again. Gateway. Okay, maybe there's nothing like gateway there. Let me come again. Sprintura, right? I don't think I do this one. Mustafa, let me do Mustafa. Yeah, Mustafa. Click on the plus sign. Mustafa. There's Mustafa. Yeah. So, what is happening? Okay, let me come here again. Mustafa. Mustafa. Wow, I think I love this. So let me increase it. Or sometimes you can come here and increase it yourself. Be so loud. So let me type happy birthday, Bisola. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I would love something like this. So let me just look for one font like that. Normal font. Can you see now? Normal font. Radical. I think I love this. I can try to use. I can come to my align here. Press middle. Then come to line spacing. So happy birthday, Bisola. So let me come to my chat GBT. I think we are done. So I can try to. Let me bring this thing in. So let me reduce it. So we're just doing something. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Let me put two today. Happy birthday. So it's still the same font. I can just come to my recent. It's Radical. So don't worry, I'm going to name the font that I use for this thing. Let me use green. So happy birthday, just simple stuff. Then after that, let me come to my chat GBT. I cannot be typing. Compose, straight and direct, compose a simple birthday content for a Nigerian talented actress called Bishola. A true definition. Happy birthday to ever talented Bishola. Can you sing? Straight and direct. Let me just come here and copy this. So, like I said, ChatGPT make our work easier. So let me just paste it here. Bishola. Can use Bishola. I just want to place emphasis on that name. So, like I said, as a newbie, if you are just starting, maximum 2 font family. This thing is too much. I don't need it. Let me delete all this thing. I don't need it. Oh, joy. That's all. Can come here and balance this thing to major stuff. You see? This thing is not showing. On the now, people should be able to read it. But people can't read this now. Because of the... Can you see? They can't see it. So, you know what? Let me just come here and do something easier. Yeah. And copy it again. I can come to my rotate here. So, this one I can change the color a little. Let me come to color. Is this green? No. Still the same thing. So let me come and bring... I said let me come and bring, sorry. Let me bring this stuff here. You can change the green background. Okay. Let me come to color. No. Go to color filter. Can you see? I can change it to green. Can you see? I've changed it to green. So guess what I'm going to do? I will come to eraser. Just to blend these clothes with the background. I will come to eraser here. And nobody will know. Can you see? Still showing some things. Let me still come to eraser again. Let me come here. Can you see? It don't blend well. Pixellab. Let me change the name to normal green Bisola. I think I love this. I love this. So we are done with our birthday flyer. So we're about to, we'll soon be done. Let me just write address here. It's just a simple one. You guys are just starting. Come to my fonts. It's still the previous one I've been using. Let me change the color. Guess what I will change the color to? This normal one we have been doing, which is white. So anytime you are bringing a text into a box, the text must not touch the edge. The text must not touch the edge. Can you see? You have to balance it. This is what I mean by balancing design. Can you see? Then from there, let me copy it again. Let me just write producer, copy. Let me write producer, producer, producer. So let me come again, I will rotate it here. Yes. So this is the function of this rotate here. So let me come again. So you can decide to just see what I'm doing. Yeah. I will come to my position again. Can you see? I intention if I move this thing now, can you see? It will be very fast. Can you see? But anytime I want to adjust, can you see it will be very fast? I have to move this thing to 1, 1, 1, 1. So that, okay, can you see? We are done with our design. You see all this space here? I'm going to leave it like that. This happy birthday is not giving me what I want. So let me delete this old stuff. It's looking like one old designs. I know this comment one. Can you see this one is still beautiful? Let me just come here and look for, let me come to Pinterest and look for one birthday icon. Yes. Happy birthday icon. Happy birthday icon. So it will bring a lot of things there. Can you see? Can you see this one's actually beautiful? I think I love this. Let me use this. Let me use this. I think I love this. It's straightforward. Guess what I'm going to do? Guess what I'm going to do? There's no need of removing background of these things. I will remove the background here. Bring imports. Bring this one here. Guess what I'm just going to do? I will come to my color eraser. Click it. Can you see? The background has removed. Wow, this is beautiful. You see now? Let me change the color. I can change the color to anything I like. I want to change it to white, but I will, you see. Oh, I don't like it. Let me change it to. Let me remove the shadow. So, happy birthday, Bisola. Can you see? We are done. Do you still have anything you want to bring in? No? Can do something like this to make it more. That's a lot of. No, should I do this? Sometimes simplicity is the key in design. Guess what? I can save it as project first. We are done. But I'm going to do something. I will add text effects to it. Light effects. So let me come to my design here. I said let me come to my design. Let me come to Pinterest. Sometimes don't mind my grammar. Just follow what I'm teaching you. Light effects. Light effects. So you see a lot of light effects. Download this. Let me just teach you one light effect. That one is enough. Let me off my data. Then I want to use what we call Psat. First, let me save this. Let me save this. Come here. Save as Ultra. Save as Ultra. So our design is still loading. So let me check, maybe wow, our design is ready. Our design is ready. Let me just come to Snapseed. This is our Snapseed to edit. Watch me closely. This is the last edit. You will see everything will just come out well. Click on tools, come to structure. You see the way it enhances everything. You guys have to learn. This is what I mean by editing of picture. So sharpening to make it look so sharp. The sharp is 100. The structure is 18. I don't want it to be too much. 17. And this is just 100. Then let me come to my tune image. Tune image, you will see brightening. Maybe I want to brighten it or in doing. Okay, you see. Maybe I want to make it bright. Plus this. Maybe I want to add contrast to it. You see. Little saturation, there's no need. Maybe this one 9. Sometimes you need to check your picture. Can you see? You need to check it. Shadow. This one make it, maybe want to make it darker. Sometimes I may not add at all. You see, this one can change the color of it. You want to change it to blue, you see. But I don't need it. So guess what? I will save my image. Then after that, I will come to. Then after that, I will come to Psat. Psat. Then click on this plus sign here. What we want to do now, we call it light effect. I want to add light to this image. So I will come to add picture, add photo, then this, add. Then after that, you just come to what? Blend. You see this icon here, click on blend. After click on blend, you will see something like normal screen. Can you see? Multiply, darken, overlay, add. Can you see? This one will spoil your stuff, but we are using that screen. So all these light effect that you normally see in some designs, you'll be like, how come? You see, there's no magic to it. You see? You can come to your opacity and reduce it a little. You see? Mark it here. I can come in again and bring in the light. Like if I want to use that light effect like multiple times, okay, add. I will come to my blend again, screen, increase it. You have to be very careful. I think I like this. I think I like this. It's enough. The light effect here is enough. You see? Click on it. Let me save my picture. I'm done. It's saving. It's saving. It's saving. It's saving. Okay. So guys, we are done. This is our simple birthday flyer. So the assignment is you have to replicate this design. So let me show you the results. This is our normal design. Can you see this is what we designed on Pixellab? Can you see this is what Light Inferno gave us? Can you see? There is no magic to all these things you are seeing. Let me delete all these things first. I want you to see the difference now. This is the normal design, what I create on Pixellab. Then I move to, after editing it, can you see there's a little different? Then see the light effect on. So it's as simple as that. So this is where we are going to stop. The assignment is watch the tutorial. I will send the design brief to the group, replicate it, and I will list the font that I use, the font. Go and download the font. I want to see your seriousness. You may be thinking, hey, I don't know how to download font. Go to YouTube, how to download font. I showed you already how to download font. Take it to Archiver and decompress it, like you press extracted. Like, so if you don't get it again in this video, go to YouTube, watch how to download font. Watch how to download font. I will list the two fonts I used. It is possible your Pixellab may have it. If no, go to what? Go to Google and download font. Come to your archive, decompress it, and add it to your Pixellab. And the assignment deadline is 12 p.m. tomorrow. If it is not good, I will direct you back, and there will be a gift for somebody that gets it exactly the same way I did it. So this is the simple flyer. So this is where we are going to stop. Bye. Bye.